how to install VMware on Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. As you can see, we have our VMware downloaded. Go ahead and simply double click onto it. And just like that, you want to go ahead and set your language to English or any other language you would prefer. And after that, go ahead and simply accept the terms and conditions of VMware Player. And once you have done that, the installation will begin on your PC. As you can see on the screen, it's installing. Give it some time, and as you can see, VMware Player is successfully installed in our PC. If you would like to click on Run to execute the downloaded file, you can go ahead and tap onto it, or if you'd like to do it later, go ahead and tap on Later. So if you have tapped on Run, you'll see this kind of interface. Go ahead and tap on Next. Then simply tap on I accept the terms and license agreement, then tap on Next again. And then tap on Next again, and finally tap on Install to begin the installation. And as you can see that we have VMware right over here. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.